Hello, welcome to the workshop on promoting physical activity. In this program, I am going to present some of the simplest forms of physical activity or exercises that do not require expensive facilities or equipment. You can perform them at the comfort of your home to observe certain changes to benefit your health and wellness. This program is presented by ICAT Fitness Center in collaboration with the General Women's Union, Abu Dhabi. What is physical activity? According to World Health Organization, physical activity is any bodily movement produced by the skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure, including activities undertaken while walking, playing, carrying out household chores, and engaging in recreational pursuits. Exercise is essential to everyone, irrespective of age. You can start with the most simplest forms of physical activity. Here are some of the things you need for your home cardio exercises: a comfortable clothes, training shoes, sneakers, 5-pound dumbbells, resistance band, a smooth wall with and step stool, chairs, or stays. One of the home cardio exercises that you can start with is the jumping jack. Jumping jack has so many benefits. It does not require you to go and hire any equipment or any facility. You can do it at the comfort of your room or anywhere around your home. Some of the health benefits of jumping jack are it balances out your heart rate, it increases blood circulation all over your body, it controls and maintains blood pressure, it helps you to avoid bad cholesterol, it prevents the onset of stroke or heart attack. Regular performance of the jumping jack trains your lungs' capacity to sustain longer exercises. The second one is the wall sit. The wall sit is something that you can do even in your room. Just to lean on the wall and relax there for some minutes or some seconds, and then you stand up. Just be doing it. Some of the benefits are that the exercise is good for sculpting thighs, it is good for sculpting hips, it is good for sculpting calves, and it is good for high-lower abs. Do this 20 minutes per day to strengthen and tone your muscle and bone, as well as to lose belly fat. The third one is push-up. Push-ups are very good for building upper body strength. As you can see on the picture, on the image, some of the tips for performing push-up are: keep your back straight, let your butt be down, not lifted, let your body form a straight line, no arc on your back or body sag down. And some of the health benefits include: it helps you to lose weight, helps you to increase energy levels, and it helps to reduce pains. You can do this 30 minutes per day as well. The fourth one is the abdominal crunch. This helps you to develop the six-pack muscle for stability and performance. Some of the tips for performing this are: lie down on your back, bend your knees, pull your belly button towards the spine, slowly contract your abdomen, and exhale. There are certain things you cannot do on this. You do not pull your neck, you should not crunch too high, and you should not relax down on the floor, and you should not let your back form an arc. Some health benefits include: it helps your body to be stable. It strengthens your spinal erector muscles. It gets rid of constipation. It helps you to burn calories. Another home cardio exercise is the step up. The step up is a simple body resistant exercise that works muscles on your legs and buttocks. It is generally good for lower body conditioning. Some tips are pushing through your lead foot, lift your body up onto the step backward to the starting position, keep your back straight, your abdominal muscle nice and then tight. Some health benefits are it improves your symmetry and balance, it increases your deadlift strength, it helps your lower back, it develops your explosive leg power. Another one is the squat. The squat is something you can do anywhere, at home, at workplace, or in a field, in a playground. You can do it anywhere. You don't need any equipment or any facility. Some of the tips that can help you to perform this are heels lifted off the ground, shifting the weight onto the toes, not going deep enough, stopping with knees at 90 degrees, allowing the chest to fall forward, curving the upper body and spine, creating a hunchback, standing with feet too wide or too narrow, not controlling the movement, rushing through reps, allowing the knees to curve in. And some of the health benefits include it strengthens your core, it reduces the risk of injury, it crushes calories, it strengthens the muscles of your lower body, it boosts athletic ability and strength. There are varieties of herbs with motivations. It can be done anywhere. Thank you, my friend, for participating in this program. Promoting Physical Activity is a program sponsored by the General Women's Union Abu Dhabi. For more information on the home cardio exercise, visit our website https://sites.google/view/promoting physical activity. Thank you. God bless.